Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 5 for the subject of geography, in which chapter 10 solar and lunar eclipse is continued with the explanation of the topic solar eclipse. Students, we have already discussed the topics eclipse, reasons of eclipse, umbra and penumbra in the previous week. This week we will be discussing the topic solar eclipse. So all the students may please keep their geography book and notebook ready as we are going to start our today's topic. Let us discuss about solar eclipse. When the moon and the earth revolve around the sun, sometimes the moon comes between the sun and earth in a straight line. So, the moon blocks the light of the sun and casts its shadow on the earth. Thus, people living in that region are not able to see the sun for some time. This is called solar eclipse. It is a natural phenomenon. It occurs once in every 18 months. So, to view the eclipse, you need to use specially designed glasses and should not be viewed directly. Now we will discuss about the types of solar eclipse. There are 3 types of solar eclipses. First is total solar eclipse. Second is partial solar eclipse. And third is annular solar eclipse. First of all, we will discuss total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse occurs when the sun is completely blocked or covered by the moon. During this eclipse, no rays of the sun can reach the earth directly. It results in the darkening of the sky. It is visible from a limited area on the earth. So now students, as we have read a small part of this chapter, we will recount the topic by means of a short test. You may pause the lesson for 3 minutes and try to write the answers of the given questions. Question 1 is define solar eclipse. Second is name the 3 types of solar eclipse. Third is define total solar eclipse. Let us discuss the answers now. Answer 1. When moon comes between the sun and the earth in a straight line and blocks the light of the sun and casts its shadow on earth, it is called solar eclipse. Answer number 2. Types of solar eclipse are total solar eclipse, partial eclipse and annular solar eclipse. Answer number 3. Total solar eclipse you can see from the definition given in the assignment. Now we are going to discuss about the partial solar eclipse. It occurs when the position of the sun, moon and earth are not exactly in a straight line. In this type of solar eclipse, only a small part of sun is covered by the moon's shadow, as you can see in the given picture. Next is annular solar eclipse. This type of eclipse occurs when the moon does not fully cover the sun. The sun appears as a very bright ring or annulus, means ring shaped structure or region, as you can see here. The sun and the moon are exactly in the line with the earth, but the moon is farther away from the earth. Let us revise what we have learned till now. So read all the topics thoroughly, and after understanding the concept, please draw the following diagram in your geography notebooks neatly. This is the diagram of solar eclipse. With this, I conclude today's interactive session. Thank you.